Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Just yesterday, the governors, Southeastern governors, launched a regional security outfit called codenamed Ebubuago, otherwise known as the glory of tiger or lion, whichever one you are comfortable with. Well, Mazen Amdekano have decided to reply the Southeastern Governors Forum over the creation of the security regional security agent or regional security network. Of course, the headquarters of that is in Enugu State, even though the meeting was held in Imo State, Owerri in particular. Before we go to the news report to find out what it is Mazen Namdekano have told them to do, and also what he had codenamed them. You would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. I can't even stop laughing because of the code name Mazen Namdekano gave to a whole regional outfit of Southeastern region. How can Mazen Namdekano call them such a wonderful name? But let's go into the news proper. Well, the indigenous people of Biafra, their leader, that's Mazen Namdekano, responded to the creation of a new security outfit in Southeast by Igbo governors, that's Southeastern governors. Well, according to initially, the Southeastern governor, that which is just some hours ago, had launched its own security outfit codenamed Ebubago, glory of a tiger or glory of a lion, whichever you're comfortable with. This was after governors and stakeholders of the region held a security meeting in Imo State on Sunday. Kano, in a recent social media handle post, mocked the governors for launching a security outfit without showing the men behind the outfit. We actually have not seen their uniforms actually, but let's continue with the news anyway. All right, according to the IPOB leader, that's Mazen Amdekano, he described the outfit as a joke, and he called this. He said, "Not only a bubago, it's more like a bube posu." Okay, I'll interpret. I think in Igbo language, pussy is cat, as a pussycat, pussycat. How can you call a whole ebubago Ago lion? Ah, Mazen Namdekano, why? Why should you call a whole regional outfit that they could name Ebuwago, the glory of a lion? And you reduce it to Puso? Ah, please now, this is not nice. Well, okay, but let's look at this. Well, okay, let's look at this. He said, let's consider what he said. He said, imagine launching a name without personnel. Where are the men of the Ebuwago? Or let me give it a better name. I'm just quoting him now. So where are the men of Ebube Nwaposo? Jokers. Eastern Security Network, 10,000 men under arms are in the forest, Mazen Amdekano said during a live presentation on Radio Biafra. This is really, I don't know, permit me to use the word hilarious. Hilarious because how can you reduce a serious outfit like a bubago to bubepus? As not even not even a bubepus, a bubewapus, as in a glory of a pussycat. No. But let's look at this. Let's leave sentiment now. Let's look at this very critically. Don't forget that this some the members of the Eastern Security, or rather some members of the Eastern Security Network, especially those in the southeast, are majorly made up of the young men and women of Igbo land. Okay, and they joined simply because they wanted to protect their land. Now the those who have been backed up by the Constitution of Nigeria to actually establish a security network, that's the governors. If they had given their backing to ESN, I don't think there would have been any need for them to open up a bubago, as the case may be. But they didn't give their backing. They actually distanced themselves from ESN. Okay, now they had not decided to open up Eastern a bubago, which is the glory of a lion. Like Mazen Namdekano said, he said, okay, they launched up a security outfit. They had able men already under trained, or who have been trained, and some under training. And when he launched it out, there were already men available. But in this case, they gave a code name. Okay, you said they had launching a security outfit. There's a code name called Obubago. I don't think the media have seen the logistics behind it. I don't think we have seen the clothings of the regional security outfit. I don't think they have vehicles yet available. I'm sure they will make it eventually, but for the now, I don't think there's really a ready vehicle available for their logistics for them to move around. And if they have interviewed people what I do not know if, because I could still also remember during the time of Amotekun creation, there was Amotekun, there were some few hands on ground, had some hunters who were readily on ground, but they wanted more so that it would be a secure regional security outfit. But for Bubago, I don't know if they have any ready men on ground, but now the fear right now, the palpable fear that people can literally touch is the fact that if this oh now there's not the case of if, now it's now when, because it has been codenamed Ibubago. When the personnel now come in, would they be fighting, or yeah, would they be fighting against, rooting against ESN? And if they are rooting against, if they will be rooting against ESN or giving them whatever code name that they're comfortable giving them, that's more like brothers fighting against brothers. Okay, I feel, personal opinion now, I feel this is actually an Igbo issue. Brothers fighting against brothers is a no-no. Honestly, it is a no-no. Okay, because where Nigeria is going, you need everything you have in your hands everybody keeps watching and seeing how what will eventually come out of this whole issue of agitation and all whatnot. But in the meantime, you got to unite. What I mean is, the governors are fathers, they are parents, they are also leaders. Call a stakeholders meeting, find out what's up, how do we inculcate you guys into the governance of Nigeria if we have to. And if we can't, how do we go around it such that there won't be chaos and mayhem? Because the truth is, if there is a creation of, or when there is no more if, when this creation of Abubagu comes into functionality where there'll be personnel, at some point there may likely be a clash because there may not be a synergy. Now, if the governors have distanced themselves from ESN, which means anytime there's an operation and the Bubagu goes there and ESN goes there, they may likely see themselves not as people on the same page, but they'll be seeing themselves as people with different ideology, different belief system, and they may not all go well. That's like brothers fighting against brothers. So I feel it's internal. We don't even need the federal might to come into this. I feel it's a case of stakeholders meeting between the Igbo leaders, the Igbo Southeastern leaders, and the monarchs, the youth. A closed door meeting doesn't have to have a federal might to it at all. A closed door meeting, begin to talk to your own brothers. This media doesn't even need to hear this. Talk to them. So, what is the issue? Look, what you are doing, whatever you do, you're actually spoiling our region and not the whole Nigeria. Can't we just work together? If tomorrow there's restructuring in this country, if there's restructuring in Nigeria, who will be the worst hit? Because I'm just trying to give them a head start of how they can go about the stakeholders meeting. So that instead of destroying our property, let's see how we can harmonize and protect it and not destroy it. Because the last form of any settlement should be a chaos, fighting. But start with the little ones. But reach out, diplomacy, stakeholders meeting, whatever you need to avoid any form of chaos, if you ask me. But that's going to wrap it up. What's your take on the fact that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have reduced the whole Ebubago to Ebubepu?